Chemistry is all around us. It's the study of matter and its properties. It's about how atoms and molecules interact to create everything we see, touch, and experience. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, chemistry is essential for life itself. Think about a simple act like baking a cake. Chemistry explains why ingredients react the way they do. Mixing flour, sugar, eggs, and butter creates a batter that transforms in the oven. Heat drives chemical reactions, producing new substances and delicious aromas. Chemistry is also the foundation of countless industries. It plays a vital role in medicine, agriculture, manufacturing, and energy production. Without chemistry, our world would be a very different place. In the following sections, we'll explore the fascinating ways chemistry has shaped human progress and continues to drive innovation for a brighter future. One of the most remarkable contributions of chemistry has been in the field of medicine. Before the 20th century, even minor infections could be deadly. The discovery of antibiotics revolutionized healthcare and saved countless lives. It all began with Alexander Fleming's accidental discovery of penicillin in 1928. He noticed that a mold growing in his lab could kill bacteria. This observation led to the development of the first antibiotic drug. Today, we have a wide range of antibiotics to combat bacterial infections. Chemists continue to research and develop new drugs to fight emerging diseases and antibiotic resistance. Chemistry is crucial for understanding how diseases work and designing effective treatments. Everything in the universe is made up of elements. These are the fundamental building blocks of matter. Chemists have identified over 100 elements, each with unique properties. The periodic table organizes these elements based on their atomic structure and behavior. The discovery of elements and their properties has been instrumental in advancing science and technology. For example, the discovery of oxygen in the 18th century revolutionized our understanding of combustion and respiration. Some elements, like iron and aluminum, are essential for construction and manufacturing. Others, like silicon and germanium, are crucial for electronics and computing. Chemists continue to explore the properties of elements and their potential applications for the future. The information age wouldn't exist without chemistry. Semiconductors, the materials at the heart of computers and smartphones, are a product of chemical ingenuity. Silicon, the most well-known semiconductor, is abundant in sand. However, pure silicon is not suitable for electronics. It requires precise chemical modifications to control its electrical conductivity. This is where chemistry plays a crucial role. Through a process called doping, tiny amounts of other elements are added to silicon. This creates regions with different electrical properties, forming transistors, the building blocks of integrated circuits. The miniaturization of transistors has enabled the exponential growth in computing power over the past few decades. Section 5. Plastics, a double-edged sword. Plastics are another example of how chemistry has revolutionized our lives. These synthetic materials are lightweight, durable, and versatile. From packaging to clothing to medical devices, plastics are ubiquitous in modern society. The development of plastics began in the early 20th century with the invention of Bakelite, the first synthetic plastic. Since then, chemists have created a vast array of plastics with different properties. However, the widespread use of plastics has also created environmental challenges. Many plastics are not biodegradable and persist in the environment for centuries, polluting landfills and oceans. Chemists are actively researching biodegradable plastics and sustainable alternatives to mitigate the negative impacts of plastic pollution. Section 6. The chemistry of clean. Chemistry plays a vital role in keeping our homes and surroundings clean. Soaps, detergents, and disinfectants are all products of chemical research. These cleaning agents work by breaking down dirt, grease, and germs, making them easier to remove. Before the advent of modern cleaning products, people relied on harsh chemicals like lye and ammonia for cleaning. These substances were often dangerous and damaging. Chemists have developed safer and more effective cleaning agents using surfactants. These molecules have a unique structure that allows them to dissolve both water-soluble and oil-soluble substances. This dual action makes them highly effective at removing a wide range of stains and contaminants. Section 7. Feeding the world with chemistry. Chemistry is essential for feeding the world's growing population. Fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides are all products of chemical research. These agricultural inputs have significantly increased crop yields and helped to prevent famine. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to plants, promoting their growth. Pesticides protect crops from insects and other pests that can damage yields. However, the use of agricultural chemicals has also raised concerns about their impact on the environment and human health. Chemists are working to develop more sustainable agricultural practices, such as precision farming and biopesticides, to minimize the negative impacts of chemical inputs. Section 8. The future of chemistry. Challenges and opportunities. Chemistry faces numerous challenges in the 21st century. Climate change, resource depletion, and pollution are pressing issues that require innovative solutions. However, chemistry also holds the key to addressing these challenges. Chemists are at the forefront of developing renewable energy sources such as solar cells and fuel cells. They are also working on carbon capture and storage technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Nanotechnology, a field that manipulates matter at the atomic and molecular level, is another area where chemistry is poised to make significant contributions. From targeted drug delivery to water purification, nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize various industries. Section 9. Chemistry, a force for good. Chemistry has played a pivotal role in shaping human progress and improving our quality of life. From life-saving medicines to technological advancements to everyday conveniences, chemistry touches every aspect of our lives. While chemistry has also contributed to some of the challenges we face today, it is essential to remember that chemistry is a tool. It is up to us to use this tool responsibly and ethically for the betterment of humanity. By supporting scientific research, promoting STEM education, and fostering a greater understanding of chemistry, we can ensure that this powerful force continues to drive innovation and create a more sustainable and equitable future for all.